BIC GRC is your all-in-one software suite that combines all disciplines of GRC. It is built to increase your organization's performance. The packaged solutions are fast to implement, intuitive to use, and extensible, so you are well equipped to meet today's high standards as well as future challenges. BIC Information Security provides a fast, professional way to digitalize your ISMS processes in line with ISO 27001 in an intuitive ISMS software that raises your information security to the next level. Choose between on-premise or cloud hosting and profit from modern reports and interactive dashboards, and let workflows guide you through your entire ISMS process. Experience BIC Information Security as one of our intuitive and user-friendly, out-of-the-box GRC solutions. The interactive BIC Information Security dashboard provides an overview of all risks, measures, and tests of effectiveness. The dashboard also shows KPIs and information on the status of these work items. You can also see the current risk rating of all your risks. Both quantitative and qualitative risk assessments are visualized on the BIC Information Security dashboard. The dashboard is the central workplace for each user. Through precise permissions, everyone sees exactly the information they need. Additionally, the interactive dashboard highlights all to-dos and calls users to action. The comprehensive evaluation possibilities of BIC Information Security are used to generate compact and easy-to-understand reports. The Statement of Applicability report provides an overall view on the applicability and degree of maturity of all the ISO 27001 Annex A controls, as well as all active mitigating measures taken by your organization. These reports can be generated at the touch of a button without the need of additional information. They are generated with real-time data and can be used at all times for management reviews and internal or external audits. All data that is used for these reports can also be archived in BIC Information Security. This way, you can easily compare different periods. For all work items, workflows can be defined, which assist each user with their evaluation. All fields can be used to restrict what can be viewed, read, or edited. These restrictions can be made by both role permissions and by workflow status. This guides each user smoothly through all work steps. When all fields are filled in or changes have been made, users can easily pass responsibilities by advancing the workflow status. This way, the responsibility is changed and the person next in line gets an automatic email notification. In the BIC Information Security Management dashboard, you get a more detailed view on all information security work items. For risks and measures, this dashboard visualizes even more key figures, such as overall accepted risks and implemented measures in the current period. Additionally, protection goals, detailed asset information, findings, documented information, and incidents are shown here. All important KPIs are also highlighted with a star to show you if there's any call to action.